Good morning, students. I welcome all of you for our online class, day 12. Yesterday, we have completed chapter 3, paragraph number 10. The starting point. Today, let's start with the 11th paragraph. When I returned from Hyderabad, it was back to work as usual, parades, other military duties, and examinations consume my time. When he coming back from Hyderabad, he started to do his duties, just like a parade, other military duties, and examinations. All these things it consume his practice time. He used to practice every day after the dinner, but now he is not getting the time to practice. But my desire to succeed as an athlete was as strong as ever. But his desire was, I want to become a good athlete or world class athlete. After a day of hard work, I would carry my dinner back to the barrack and hide the plate of food under my bed. What happened now? He is not getting the time for practice. Now what he has done? He after the day a hard work. In daytime he used to do hard work, and what he done? He took his food plate, means dinner, and he would carry his dinner back to barrack. Barrack means here it is mentioning a group of buildings in which soldiers live, where the soldiers live. That's a barrack. And he hid his plate of food under his bed. Then, while my colleagues relaxed in the evening, I would be at the ground practicing. Okay, into the lunch, his colleagues, all his friends, and all his friends, they were relaxing, and some are sleeping, some are relaxing in the evening. But what happened? Milkha Singh used to go to ground for practicing. I still did not know the technique need to run a 400-meter race, but I followed a rule of thumb. I would run one round at the highest speed possible, rest for a while, and then run another one. What happened? He doesn't know about the rules and regulations or for the practicing for 400 meters, but he did one thing, a rule of thumb. That means a practical way based on experience. Thought it may not be technically correct, but his own idea he started to practice. There were not any people to train up him for this time, because it is night time. All his friends and all the people, they were in the barrack and they were relaxing. But now he alone in this ground, and he himself making him become a good athlete. Then what he has done here, he used his technique. What was the technique? Okay, I would run one round at the highest speed. First time he used to run very highest speed. After he will take rest. Then again he will start to run. Like that he used to run, and he started to practice. He will run around 6 rounds and then return to my room to take bath and have a dinner. After finishing his practice, he used to come to his room and take bath and have a dinner. This was my routine for many months, a secret activity that no one was aware of. It was a secret activity of Milkha Singh. Nobody knows this matter. 12th paragraph. One night I was doing my regular practice round when Brigadier S.C. Vora spotted me. One day, do the practice. every night. One day, what happened? Brigadier S.P. Vora, Brigadier, that is position of the army man. This is a position, okay? Brigadier S.P. Vora spotted me. Vora spotted me. He caught. He was on his after dinner walk. He also after his dinner he used to walk. Then why are you on the ground at this hour? Who asked this question? Vora. SP Vora asked. He asked sharply, very sharply he asked. Asked to whom? Milkha Singh. Because Milkha Singh is practicing in this time, night time. Sir, I said, clicking my heels and snapping to attention. I tried to do a smart salute, though I was breathing hard and dripping sweat from every pore. Here, he gave a very big salute to the Vora, and I was breathing hard and dripping sweat from every pore. He become very sweat because he is running. He is taking practice. Sir, I handed. I was practicing for the 400-meter race. Here, panted matlab breathe with a short. He taking the breath with a very shortly and said that I am practicing for 400-meter race. Practicing. Vora is practicing. Why are you practicing this hour? He asked, sounding a little astonished. He became astonished. मतलब surprise हो गया. In this time, are you practicing? Because I don't have time to practice during the day, sir. Milkha Singh said, I don't have time to practice daytime because I have many duties as a parade and military duties and examination and everything I had to do. So I'm not getting time daytime. He stared at me. Stared matlab look very fixedly. He looked at Milkha Singh, then nodded and walked away briskly. Okay, nodded matlab hai just he looked down and walked very fastly. Very quickly he passed. Stage se chala gaya. I felt quite relieved that I had been let off easily. Milkha Singh thought, okay, I escaped. Okay, because he did not say more things. I saw that I escaped. I got relaxed. 18. This meeting led to a series of actions that I had never anticipated. Here we'll see this meeting. This meeting means yesterday night, Milkha Singh met with SP Vora. So that meeting led to me series of action that I had never anticipated. Anticipated means expected, not to be likely. I never expect. Or okay, it was very wonderful meeting, and I never expect this meeting make me such a way. The next day, the commander of my company told me that I did not have to do fatigue duty anymore. After what happened, his commander of his company told to Milkha Singh, okay, today onwards you don't have any fatigue duty. Okay, anymore. You don't have to do any duty of our company. 19th paragraph. This gave me more time to practice. Okay, this I was given better facilities, a nutritious diet, and special attention was paid to my grooming. Grooming means his training to become a world-class athlete. What was his dream? He want to become a world-class athlete. It was his dreaming. Now what happened? He got a special attention and special food and special facilities and special attention to Milkha Singh. This incident opened up a all new world for me, one that offered innumerable opportunities. Now, Milkha Singh got many opportunities because of his hard work in his life. So, we have completed this chapter. We have completed this chapter. So, next We will do the exercise and question answers that I will give next class. Then I will explain it and I will give all the question answers and choose the correct answer in your WhatsApp group. So I hope you all understood this chapter. If you have any queries, you can ask to me in our query group. Thank you. God may bless you.